Just see there, one more beast I found out on the road. So amazing that looks with those horns. Incredible animal that is. It's walking in the middle of the street. You can just have a look. Wow, it looks absolutely superb. I don't want to go near to that again. That is very aggressive. Just check. He's walking in the middle of the road over there. I'm going to show you if I get the chance to show you. I'm going to show you. Wow, this just looks incredible. Just check that. Amazing animal that is. Wow, superb. Just check this horns. What a beast. Incredible. Total vegetarian. Just see this. Amazing. What an animal this is. This is just next level. Just check. And just check the horn. Superb this is. Wow. Walking with the beast. It's incredible. Wow, finally I got the shot. This looks so hot, so sexy. What an animal this is. My goodness. This is just amazing. Just see this. So silent, so elegant. I just want to go here. He's doing that from long time. Wow. Let him go. So he's coming here only. Wow. So muscular, so stylish, so amazing animal this is. Very powerful. You can just check all the muscles. Incredible. And at the end of the day, so innocent this animal is. So innocent. And his entire food supply is vegan. Complete vegetarian food. He relies on vegetarian food. And just see those horns. Killer horns those all are. Anything nearby I'm going to go, he's going to kill me for sure. Very, very dangerous that is. Stunning. Walking with the beast on the street. This is just amazing. But why is he doing like this? Did you just see what he was doing? I don't know what exactly he's doing and why he was doing. But something is there. I think something is stuck in his mouth or something. That's the reason. Exactly, I don't know, but something is there. That's the reason he's doing like this. But just check the beast. What a muscular, super beast. Very powerful this is. And he's doing this from long time. That is what I wanted to tell you. He's doing this from long time. Wow. What an incredible beast this is. So amazing. So powerful. Just majestic. This is absolutely majestic. Just see those muscles, just see that body. Absolutely majestic creature, very, very powerful animal. Those two horns. And from that time he was making that noise. So for now on, I'm just letting it go. And so if you like today's episode, then do subscribe and share my channel. I'll meet you in another vlog. Till then, have a great time.